Welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to place for quick and simple tech tips. Ever wished you could hide or show all those icons cluttering your desktop with just a couple of clicks? Well, you're in the right place because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Let's start with hiding the icons. Just right-click anywhere on an empty space on your desktop. A little menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the View option, and at the bottom of that list, you'll see Show Desktop Icons. All you have to do is click to uncheck it, and just like that, your desktop is clean and clear. Want them back? No problem. Right-click again, go to View, and this time check Show Desktop Icons. Instantly, all your icons reappear, right where you left them. It's a simple trick, but it's super handy if you like to keep your desktop looking tidy, or if you just want to focus without distractions. If this quick tip helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.